Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and have had a good week. It's nearly the weekend, yay! And because it's the coronation on Saturday, I thought it'd be really fun to do coronation cupcakes with the icing red, white and blue. Why not, indeed? So come and have a look at the ingredients. So it's standard ingredients for cupcakes: self-raising flour, marge in this case, or softened butter, sugar, 2 large eggs. For the icing, I've divided it into 3 because one's going to be white, one will be blue and one will be red. Vanilla extract for both, and also some cupcakes. And I have read that if you don't have I don't have cupcake holders, you know, like stiff ones, in order to help keep the shape. So I've heard that if you double up, that can help. So we'll see if that truly works. Yeah, for fun I got these, but there are only 10 in there, which I didn't actually realise. So I have some spare ones, so that'll be all right. Yeah, so let's get started and get cooking. See you in a bit. So I'm going to add the sugar, add the butter stroke marge. I'm just going to beat with the one egg, second egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, I'm just going to sift the self-raising flour into the bowl. So I've more than doubled up. I've like quadrupled up. Just as a support, I can easily reuse, just so that they keep their shape when they're cooking. I hope this works anyway. Oh. I better go see who that is. Hold on. Oh, it was just someone walking past. Oh, honestly, that dog. So I want to preheat the Ninja and the COSORI, so I'm just going to do it air fry for 3 minutes should do it. 200. Oh, come on. Ooh. 3 minutes as well. Come and have a look at the cupcakes. So I've doubled up, as I've said before, to hopefully keep their round shape. Yeah, I'll be putting them in the air fryers in a minute. So let's put the Ninja cupcakes in. Ooh. Right, I've got to wait for that. Hey. Okay. So bake 160 for 11 minutes. Okay, now the COSORI. Let's fill that up. All right, bake 160 for 11 minutes. I'll put the Fahrenheit on the thingies as usual. Not showing it because it flickers. See you in a bit. So while they're cooking, I'm going to be making the icing, the buttercream rather. Oh, in fact, hold up. So the recipe says to beat the margarine for the buttercream first before adding the icing sugar and the vanilla extract and the milk. Just going to add it a bit at a time. Right, I'll come back to that. Have a quick look. Ooh, they're all right. Get their shape, they better check them. They're clean. Lovely. Right, I'm going to get these out onto a cooling rack. Oh look, they're a lot lighter than the Ninja ones. At the exact same time, so I think they might need a little bit longer. Interesting. Ooh. Yeah, a little bit longer. Gonna add a few minutes. So I'm just gonna add 3 minutes at 200 on bake. So I'm just gonna add 3 minutes at 200 Fahrenheit there. What, I can't never remember what it is, on bake. So they're the Ninja ones and the COSORI ones are still in. So yeah, I'll carry on with the buttercream. Just realised my error. I'd put it on 200, not 160. Clean. Well, yeah, let's get these out. I kind of messed these up a bit, but never mind. So I'm going to get them out on the cooling rack. So while the cupcakes are cooling, I'm going to crack on and divide this. I did realise that this isn't very white. If you want to do red, white and blue for Coronation. So I quickly made some just white ice, you know, icing sugar with water and a little bit of vanilla essence in that. So these will be divided up to 2 because I'm going to hopefully dye one red and hopefully dye one blue. I don't know how they're going to come out, but we'll see. Might be with a tinge of yellow. Let's go with red. I got this for the ticker, luckily. Hopefully it's going to come in useful for this. It's red enough. I'm not going to make it any redder, I don't think. Liquid, this one. Oh. I don't normally do food colouring, I must admit. I might put a bit more red in, but it's lethal stuff. If you get it on your hands, my hands are stained. Let's get another spoon. Whew. Alright, is this going to be any redder? Just a bit redder. Redder? Is that even a word? Right. Let's check the cupcakes and see if they're all right to be, because I'm going to use a, what do you call it, piping bag. So I've got one of these reusable piping bags, so I'm going to have to clean it between each colour, but I'm going to start with red. Oh, it's coming out. Help. Well, a buttercream disaster. I think I would kind of go for abstract art. I'm going to do a thumbnail. These are, I mean, this isn't what I wanted with the buttercream. No. What a wally. Yeah. And the boys have actually had one each. And I do know that the blue buttercream food colouring, makes their mouth go blue. So what I'm going to do is actually cut one in half to see what the cake's like inside. I do know that that's a ninja one, and that will be a COSORI one, because the COSORI one's my fault. I completely don't know why I just automatically put it on 200 when it should have been 160 for the last few minutes. But yeah, let's have a look. Let's cut them open. Okay, let's pick a, oh god, try and find a COSORI one, ninja one. I think that's a ninja one. We're going to have to accept that it's going to be messy. Yeah, let's cut it completely in half. Have a look in the inside. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not going to eat both cupcakes. I'm going to let the boys devour these, but I'm going to open a COSORI one. I'm just going to sort of pick one that's quite brown, because I know that that was a COSORI. This is going to be messy. Let's just see what the inside of that's like. Yeah, it's all right as well. Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to have a blue mouth. This is just unavoidable. Very soft. Oh, geez. Very, very soft. Very soft, you know, sponge. Right, here goes. Mmm. Oh, they're lovely cupcakes. I've got a blue mouth yet. Mmm. Look. Oh, the sponge is absolutely... I'm going to have one half of a ninja, excuse me, and one half a COSORI, but they both look lovely sponge bases. Messy. If you do anything like this, if you can do a better job than me on the buttercream, well done. I'm sure you can, because yeah, this is abstract art.
That's really lovely. And the buttercream tastes lovely. I don't know if I can't see. I've got a blue mouth yet. Oh, messy, but delicious. And fun. Right, I'm going to sort of wave a sticky hand goodbye. I hope you all have a, oh excuse me, a lovely bank holiday weekend, another one. Ooh, it's brilliant. Yeah. Okay everybody, thanks so much for watching, and take care and see you on the next one. Bye.